Hello guys, good morning. So this is Doc Franklin once again. So welcome to another vlog of repairs. So I am here now for a service call for this international truck for starting issue. So I uh, I did already. I checked everything. I checked the I checked the batteries. I checked all the connections going to the starter, so I found out that there is issue with the starter. So now I'm gonna show you how to remove the starter on this truck. So just tune in, and I will show you how to remove the starter on this. So in order to access the starter, guys, so you need to pull out the side fender on the left side fender. So because the starter is located on the left side of the engine. So as you can see here, here's the starter is located here. So you need to pull out first the fender on this truck. So this is the fender. So I already take out everything. So before you're gonna remove the starter, you need to disconnect the negative of the battery. You need to check the negative of the battery. So as you can see here, I already pulled out the two bolts. There is three bolts on this starter. There is one on you can see here, the other side. So there is one on the top. So before you're gonna start that one, removing the starters, you need to remove the negative and the positive. The one is on the ground going to the battery, and one is on the solenoid going the positive of the solenoid going also to the battery. So before you're gonna do that, so you already you need to remove the positive the negative of the battery, so that no connections going to the starters when you pull out that one. So see, so I already disconnected all the wirings here. So I'm gonna show you now how to pull out the assembly. It's really hard to pull out. It's way too heavy, but don't worry, I'm gonna show you how to remove that one. So here's the starter already pulled out. So because it's really hard to explain there the location of the the bolts. So I'm gonna show you how to. So just like this, the position of the starter is like this. So the bolt is located at the back. So as you can use the socket 5/8 here. So just only pretend that this one is already connected. This is connected to the block. So you can use now the socket here, like that. You can use the socket, this one. So just only pretending that this one is connected, already connected to the block. So you can use here socket, 5/8 socket and extension. So it's really easy to pull out now. Because if I will explain this one to you, it's really hard to understand where's that the other bolts coming. So see, it's already coming on the top. So on the top there. So it's really hard to explain to you where's the other three bolt located. So I pull out already the starter, so that I will explain to you and what is the proper tools, and we're gonna locate properly the extension and the ratchet. Then at the same time, I will explain to you the. So here, so you can use now here the handle, see? So that is the position of your socket where this one is located. So that's what's located there. So hopefully it really clear to you where's the bolt and the wirings connected. So now it's almost done. So I'm gonna connect everything. So I'm gonna connect all the connection now. The safety harness for the cables, I'm gonna connect that one, and I'm gonna try start the truck. And guys, I already connected everything. So I already installed the side fender. I already connected all the batteries cables. I already put the covers on. So I already secure all the wiring connections for the starters, the ground, the wire to the solenoids. So I already all secures. It's already neat and clean, so it's ready to start. So now I'm gonna try to start the truck. So this truck, it's need to push the clutch before you're gonna start. So I'm hoping that the truck will gonna start after changing the starter. I already changed when I changed the starter. So ready, 1, 2, go! Wow! So it starts good. So before you're gonna complete the job, you need to check the charging. You need to check the charging. So it means because there is one connection going to your alternator. So if you forget also to install that one or to put that wire going to alternator, so this charging system will not working. So it's good. So it show up 14.5 volts. 14.5 volts is good, so it starts good. So you're gonna try again. So we're gonna try again if it starts good. So it's good. So it's all start. So yes sir, it's good. So all the lights comes off. So the engine lights gonna come off also. So it's all good. So guys, thank you so much. So it's another videos already done. So if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe, share and like. And if you like to share this one to your relatives that doing also mechanic job, so it's really if this videos gonna help to them, so please share. You can share this one or tell them to subscribe my channel, Doc Franklin. So once again, thank you so much, and see you to my next repair videos.